Hey guys, today I will show you how to join TikTok Creator Fund. Joining the TikTok Creator Fund allows you to make money on TikTok. Make sure to watch until the very end. First, open your TikTok account. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, this will appear. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then you will see these options. Click on Creator Tool. You'll see Analytics. Here, you have to make sure to post at least one public video. You can also check on the Create a Portal option. Here, you can learn a lot of things about TikTok. You can also click on the option Q&A. Here, you can ask questions or post answers to other people's questions. Now you need to start a subscription to build your live community in order to join the TikTok Creator Fund. You can start if you have 1,000 followers, have live access, and go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days. After this, if your account has followed community guidelines, have 10,000 followers, and meet the age requirement, you will start getting gifts. These are the ways to join TikTok Creator Fund. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave comments down below for us to create more videos. See you on the next one.